In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Roblox on your mobile phone. So step number one is to open up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, you want to just type Roblox, hit search, and you'll get some results, but you want to scroll down until you find the Roblox website. This one right over here, tap on that. And now it's going to say, do you want to continue in the app or do you want to continue in the browser? You can continue in your web browser, that's totally fine. And at the top right hand corner, you'll see it says sign up. Tap on sign up. And now you want to enter in your birth date. So you want to do this correctly. So once you filled in your birthday, you want to select a username. So I'll just do that real quick. The next one is a strong password. So I'm going to create a password real quick. And then you want to select your gender. I'll select male. And then you can read the terms of use and things like that if you want. But then just click on sign up. It's going to load up for a bit. And just like that, you have created a new Roblox account. And you can go through here, go to the settings, buy Robux and things like that. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So that is how you sign up for Roblox on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.